Today's video is just a short, brief introduction to the difference in the Plexus pink drink formulations. So this is the bottle that you probably got in your welcome pack. And there's two kinds of Plexus drinks. So the shorter stick is called the Plexus Microbiome Activating Pink Drink. There's two flavors. This is the watermelon lemon raspberry, or there's black cherry. And this is the hunger control pink drink. So notice that the Slims are different. I'm gonna just explain the difference between them and a little tip on how to mix them. So the first one is the microbiome activating. They're both similar in the fact that they're gonna help balance your blood sugars. They're gonna help balance your hormones. They give you natural energy. There's very small amount of coffee bean extract, no caffeine, but it helps balance your blood sugars, which helps sustain and stabilize your energy. So this is used best, drank once a day consistently. It's not going to give you the best benefits if you're just drinking the Slim sporadically. So very important to drink this once a day. You can drink it up to twice a day if that is something that your sponsor or friend recommends to help you with your health goals, but once a day is best. So this is called the microbiome activating. It has a special kind of prebiotic in it that's going to help feed the good, healthy gut bacteria. So it's best to drink on an empty stomach, 30 to 60 minutes before a meal. And the time of day can change, but that just depends on what's best for you. So I believe this bottle is 16 ounces, and I'm just going to mix up my pink drink. I'll mix up the other one. So the microbiome activating, the best way to drink it is to mix it before you drink it and drink it right away within 30 minutes. You don't want to pre-mix it. And that's just because it activates the prebiotics that are in it to wake up your good gut bacteria once you mix it. So it could potentially not work as effectively if you're mixing it, the night before and doing it in the morning. So always mix it the day of in your bottle. Another tip is to use room temperature or cold, like mildly cold water before adding ice. Otherwise it can clump. Then you can pour it over ice or add ice to your water bottle. So since I dropped the other one, I will go ahead and mix up our Slim Hunger Control. So this one is different because it has a special kind of fiber in it called polydextrose fiber. And it helps work as a natural appetite suppressant by helping you curb your appetite, helping you feel full longer. If you are someone that snacks or has a large appetite, maybe wants help with portion control, then the hunger control is something that you would benefit from. So it's a much larger stick, so much more volume, and it can actually tend to clump if you don't mix it correctly, and that's very frustrating. So here's a little tip. So when you mix your hunger control, you still don't want to use ice right away because that will cause it to clump, and you want to pour it in at an angle. That way it doesn't go straight to the bottom. So pouring it in at an angle. So what it does is it actually attracts to the water molecules when you're mixing it. And then you want to shake it like a teeter-totter. Or you can use a hand mixer if you have one of those. Those are great. But if it's too cold or if you let it go straight to the bottom of your bottle, you're going to get a giant clump. So there is some science behind the formulation of it. Again, what it does is it helps hold on to water in your stomach as you're drinking water throughout your day to help you feel full and reduce your hunger cravings. So this is best drank, again, 30 to 60 minutes before a meal or between meals. So depending on when you feel like snacking or when you wake up, you may start your day with that to help you make it longer before eating breakfast. And again, customizable to the time of day, but best to mix up right before drinking and drink it over a 30 to 45 minute time span, because as you're drinking it, it's going to allow you to feel that fullness and have that positive benefit. So again, the positive things, the similarities of the Plexus pink drink and the reason it's so beneficial is it helps that blood sugar balance, that hormone control. So it regulates your insulin by use of chromium, the natural mineral that's in the Plexus pink drink. And so That's a wonderful benefit when you're using it consistently, daily, for best results. Now, if you take a thyroid medication, be sure to talk to your friend. You would want to space your Plexus Pink Drink out 1 hour from when you take thyroid medicine. Otherwise, it is okay to take at the beginning of your day, middle of your day, or even before dinner in the evening to help you with that hunger cravings or getting that good healthy bacteria replenished. So I hope you learned a little bit about the Plexus Pink Drink, and the taste is amazing. Happy pink drinking.